Elementor Addons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the free XPRO Site logo and Site Title widgets for Elementor. These Site logo and Site Title widgets are simple and user-friendly. It also helps you to enhance the look and branding of your website. Before we start, please make sure you have got the XPRO Addons downloaded. If not, then I'm adding the link in the description below. Or you can watch the video of how to install and activate the XPRO Elementor Addons. Now let's get started. Let's create site logo and site title for this page. Also in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a tagline to your site. So stay with me. Let's start by searching the site logo from this widget panel and drag it to our desired location on this page. Under the Content tab, here we have this General section. At first, here we have this logo type option. From here you can choose the logo type. There are two options, Default and Custom. If we choose the default, then it will show the logo that you have uploaded at the backend of your WordPress setting. And if you choose Custom, then you can upload any custom logo here. Just like this, I'm choosing here Custom. Now click on this Choose Image option. From here you can upload any logo from the media library. Just like this, select and upload. Now we have this image resolution option. From here we can choose the image resolution for this logo. Let me show you. Just like I'm choosing here thumbnail, medium large, you can see. We also have this full resolution option. But I'm choosing here medium large, like this. Now we have this link option. From here we can add a link to direct your visitors to a more detailed page. Here we have two options, custom URL and default. You can either go with the default or you can choose the custom URL just like this. This will add a link to this logo to navigate the user to a more detailed page whenever they click the logo. Now close this General section and move to the Styling tab. Let's do some styling of our widget. Under the General, here we have this width, max width, height, alignment, and CSS filters of this logo. You can customize logo simply by dragging this slider. Like this. Now let's try the actual settings. I'm setting the width of this logo to 100 and the max width also 100 and the height of this logo, let's try 100. No, I think that's too much big. Yeah, let's set this to 60. It's pretty amazing, right? Moving to the next option, here we have this object fit option. From here we can choose how we want to show the logo. We can choose from fill, cover or contain. Let's try the fill, cover and contain. I'm choosing here contain. Now we have this alignment option. From here we can choose the alignment of this logo. We have this option left, center or right. I'm choosing here left, like this. Now we have this CSS filter options on normal and hover state. Let's try something blurriness. Oops. And the brightness, like this. Font start, saturation, and hue. Hope you guys are getting it in the right way that how to use these CSS filters. Now set this all to default. Now we have this opacity option. Choose the opacity value just like this. No, I think so we should choose the opacity in the hover. Yeah. Now let's move to the hover. From here, I'm setting the opacity to this value 0.80. And you can see when we hover, this is how it works. You can also adjust the transition duration from this option. Like this. Now set this all to default. And we are done with our site logo. Super easy and really quick. Now we will create the site title. Let's delete this one. Search site title from this widget panel. Drag and drop the widget here. After we drop the widget, Now you can see it's automatically showing the site title of my website. Yeah, just because I have added the title in the WordPress. Under the content tab, here we have this general section. First, we have this icon option. We can also upload an icon from the icon library, or we can upload any custom SVG of our choice. Moving to the next option, here we have this link option. There are two options, default and custom URL. If we choose default, then it will take the link that I have added in the WordPress. And if we choose custom, then we can add any custom link here, just like this. Moving to the next option, here we have this HTML tag option. From here we can choose the HTML tag for this title. It will only affect the size of this title. Just like this. I'm choosing here H1. Now we have this alignment option. From here we can choose the alignment of this title. We can choose left, center or right. I'm choosing here left, like this. Now close this general section. Now jump to the styling tab. Let's do some styling of our title. In the title section, here we have this typography, color, stroke and text shadow option. Let's try the typography first. From this drop-down menu, we will choose the fonts family. I'm choosing here Poppins, like this. Next we have the size option. From here we can adjust the title size. Just drag the slider to adjust the size of this title. I'm setting this to 40, like this. It looks amazing now, right? Next we have this weight option. From here we can choose the weight, just like this. I'm setting this to 600, semi-bold. And look, feel free to play around with these options for more adjustments. Now close this drop-down menu. Next we have this color option. From here we can choose the title color. Let me show you how it works. Just an example, I'm choosing the different colors, you can see. And look, you can choose any color according to your preferences. I'm choosing here black, like this. Now we have the stroke option. From here we can add stroke to this title, just like this. Let's choose the color. I'm choosing here green. Now adjust the stroke width. And look, this is how it works. Lastly, we have this text shadow option. Use these sliders to adjust the text shadow, like this. We can also adjust the shadow intensity from here, like this. Now set this all to default. And we are done with our site title. It was so easy and quick, right? Now let's move to the last part of this video. As I told you before, I'll show you that how we can add a tagline to our website. So let's dive into it. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance. From this Appearance section, click on this Customize option. Now click on this Site Identity option in this menu. Here we have this site title option. As you can see, I have already added the title here. You can write the site title here according to your preferences. Just an example, I'm writing here XPRO, like this. Now let's set this back to taskbar, like this. Finally, we have this tagline option. From here, you can write the tagline. Just an example, I'm writing here where expectations meet reality. And look, we can also add a site icon here. Just click on this select icon option and upload any icon from this media library. If you want to crop the icon, click on this crop image option. But I'm just skipping the cropping. Now click on this publish option and we are done. And we are done with our tagline. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more tutorials like this.